Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Girl with Goals. And this video is something which I've been meaning to record for the longest of time because I always get this question that how do I create content daily and what is the process behind it, because there are so many platforms which I am creating on, and how do I make sure that I am doing it regularly, and what is the strategy behind this. So stay tuned till the end of this video because I'm gonna keep it super short, super informative with 3 points, which is planning, recalling, and redirecting. So stay tuned till the end of this video. So, step one, which is the most crucial step, which is planning. Now, you have to divide your week between weekdays and weekends because the strategy for planning is totally different for these two categories. So, the first one, which is Monday to Friday, is mostly I keep those days which are pre planned. The posts are already done, the captions are already decided, and I just put it in a Word document as to what is going to go on which day. That's right, actually, right from the stories which are gonna go plus the post, so that today I don't have to wonder what I'm gonna post tomorrow, and that's why it goes very smoothly. Now, for Saturdays and Sundays, you really have to listen to your intuition that which post or which IGTV video or any kind of content is gonna do wonders. And because the audience is much active on Instagram on Saturdays and Sundays, it is like a boost of content and engagement. So that for Saturdays and Sundays, keep something which you know is gonna work really well. Like, I know that a stationary post versus a video is something which I will keep for the weekdays. So static post mostly I keep for the weekdays, and weekends is mostly for more engagement driven posts, right? Now, the tip for the planning step is that always plan 2 days prior to your posting. And in this case, I'm talking about your YouTube video or your podcast, because that is something which you always, it is a longer process as compared to Instagram. So I would suggest that you at least create content 2 days prior so that you get a gap for editing, for gathering all other elements like creating your thumbnail or editing your voice note. So those are the things which I actually keep in mind, that if I'm gonna post a YouTube video on suppose Wednesday, I make it a point that I have the video ready with me till Monday, and that gives me it doesn't give me a lot of pressure while creating content, and it is actually scheduled really properly. So that is the first point, which is planning, and that is something which you really need to work on if you want to post daily and post on a multiple platforms. Step 2, it is called recalling. Now, as the name suggests, you have to keep your audience engaged with the post which you have done earlier, and this step actually involves recalling your audience to the post which you have done before. So, this actually works the best if there is a particular festival or particular days, like we just celebrated the International Coffee Day. Okay, so maybe I didn't have a post which is only dedicated to coffee, or because I have posted something already and planned that on Monday this is something which is gonna go, and it has clashed with a particular festival or particular day. I would suggest, yes, during the planning phase you have to take all these days into consideration, but for some reasons you don't have that in mind. What I would suggest is put up a story saying that I'm going to share all the posts which I have which are related to coffee and which show how much I love coffee, and recall your audience to your older posts. So put your IGTV videos, Instagram videos, anything which you have done related to coffee on your account and put it on your stories. So stories is a great platform for, so right now you're not creating any original or different content, you're just recalling your audience from the older posts, so that they are constantly engaged in your account and they tap that post, go back, engage a bit, and that's how you actually keep your audience hooked to the content which you have. So, step number three, which is redirecting. Now, like me, many creators have different platforms on which they create content, which can be a YouTube channel, which can be a blog. So, in step three, I would suggest you do this step every day, which is redirecting. Put stories where like you're putting up a video and telling people to swipe up and go to your YouTube channel, or you're sharing a small glimpse of the blog as to what the title is, or you're sharing something very personal and then swipe up to the blog. So, step three is important to engage your audience in all of your platforms, and that is something which, even if you don't create content right now, or maybe some days, I understand that you are really not motivated to post anything like a original video or a original post on Instagram. You just don't have the energy for it. So this is a very good strategy which you can use, that you can just be active on stories. So these are the 3 points which I hope are really beneficial to you, and I would emphasize more on point 1 and try and test all these methods, and maybe you learn from the previous week what went wrong, and then you can correct those methods and inculcate in the next week. Also, my main pointers or extra tips along with these 3 main points will be very active on your stories. And for stories, actually, you don't have to give a lot of thought. Keep it very raw, keep it more aesthetic in terms of the theme which you're using for your text, or there are tons of videos on YouTube which will tell you that what kind of stories you should do. And this is the method which I definitely use for my Instagram, because that is the platform which I'm most active on. But even for my YouTube and newly started podcast, this is something which I follow, that I have a schedule throughout the week where I'm not creating all the days. I'm just creating for particular days, and I'm just circulating that whole content throughout the week, because recalling, redirecting is as important as planning and executing. And I would say just have fun with the whole content creation process. Don't stress too much. If you think that sometimes you're not able to post anything, it's fine. Just tell your audience that, show them some behind the scenes, keep it very personal and real. That is something which really your audience will appreciate, rather than just going on posting without you actually having a heart to do that. So this is the strategy behind how I manage multiple accounts and keep putting new content every time. If you have any other suggestions, please mention them in the comment section below. We will help a lot of creators which are watching this video or reading to the comments in the comment section. So I'm so glad that I'm making this series again, where I get to interact with you guys and tell you what has worked out for me, or what I practice during content creation process. And related to this video, if you have any other questions, please mention them in the comment section as well. And thank you so much for requesting all these topics, because this actually gives me a direction to make these videos. And until next time, stay tuned to Girl with Goals. Thank you.